In a small town surrounded by hills and rivers, there lived a young man named Daniel. He was 22 years old, but he often felt lost in life. Every morning, he woke up late, wasted hours scrolling through his phone, and complained about how unlucky he was. Daniel always admired successful people. He watched videos of rich businessmen, strong athletes, and confident speakers. Deep inside, he wished he could become like them. But there was one problem: he never believed he could change himself. Whenever he tried something new, he gave up quickly. One rainy evening, Daniel sat alone in a cafe. He looked tired and frustrated. An old man sitting near the window noticed him. "Young man," the old man said softly, "why do you look so unhappy?" Daniel sighed. "Because my life is not improving. I want success, confidence, and happiness, but nothing changes." The old man smiled gently. "Do you know why?" Daniel shook his head. "Because you are waiting for life to change you," the man replied. "But improvement begins when you decide to change yourself." Those words stayed in Daniel's mind. Before leaving, the old man handed him a small notebook. "Write in this every day," he said. "Your future depends on your daily habits." That night, Daniel opened the notebook. On the first page, the old man had written, "Small improvements every day create big results." Daniel stared at the sentence for a long time. The next morning, for the first time in months, he woke up early. It was difficult. His body wanted to sleep again, but he forced himself to stand up. He went outside and saw the sunrise. The cool morning air touched his face. Something felt different. That day, Daniel made 3 promises to himself. He would improve his body. He would improve his mind. He would improve his habits. At first, the journey was painful. When he exercised, his muscles hurt. When he tried reading books, he became bored after 10 minutes. When he avoided social media, he felt restless. But every night, he wrote in the notebook. Day 1, I woke up early. Day 5, I completed a short workout. Day 10, I finished reading 1 chapter. Slowly, Daniel realized something important. Improvement was not about becoming perfect overnight. It was about becoming slightly better every day. Weeks turned into months. Daniel began exercising every morning. His body became stronger. His posture improved. People noticed his confidence growing. He also started reading books about communication, discipline, and success. The more he learned, the more his thinking changed. One day, while looking into the mirror, he noticed something surprising. His face was the same. His town was the same. His life looked almost the same from the outside. But inside, he had changed completely. He was no longer lazy and negative. He had become focused and disciplined. One afternoon, Daniel met his old friends. They were sitting in a park complaining about life. "The world is unfair," one friend said. "There are no opportunities," another added. Months ago, Daniel would have agreed with them. But now, he simply smiled. He understood that blaming the world never improves a person. Taking responsibility does. That evening, Daniel returned home and wrote another lesson in his notebook. Your life changes when your habits change. As time passed, Daniel faced bigger challenges. He applied for jobs and faced rejection. He failed interviews. Some people laughed at his new routine. Others said, You will never become successful." Those words hurt him deeply. For one moment, he thought about quitting. But then he remembered the old man's advice. Improvement is a daily process. So instead of giving up, Daniel worked harder. He practiced speaking English every day. He learned new skills online. He improved his communication. He exercised even when he felt tired. Most importantly, he stopped comparing himself to others. He focused only on becoming a better version of himself. After nearly 2 years of discipline, Daniel finally received a good job offer in a large company. When he received the email, tears filled his eyes. Not because of the money, but because he realized how far he had come. The lazy boy who once wasted entire days had transformed into a hardworking and confident man. One weekend, Daniel returned to the same cafe where he had met the old man. But the old man was nowhere to be found. The cafe owner smiled and handed Daniel a folded piece of paper. "He told me to give this to you one day," the owner said. Daniel opened it carefully. Inside were written these words: "The greatest investment you can make is in yourself." Daniel sat silently for several minutes. He finally understood the truth. Improving yourself does not require magic. It does not happen in one day. It happens through small daily actions. Waking up early, reading books, learning skills, exercising, controlling your thoughts, and never giving up. Most people want success instantly, but true growth is slow, painful, and invisible in the beginning. Just like a seed growing under the soil, self-improvement happens quietly before the world notices it. Years later, Daniel became a successful speaker. He traveled to different cities and inspired young people. During one speech, a student asked him, "Sir, what is the secret to improving yourself?" Daniel smiled. He remembered the rainy evening, the notebook, and the old man. Then he answered, "The secret is simple. Improve yourself a little every single day. Even one small step matters. Because small steps repeated for years can completely change your life." The audience became silent. And Daniel added one final sentence: "Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow." From that day onward, many people started their own journey of self-improvement. And somewhere deep inside, Daniel knew that the old man's wisdom would continue changing lives forever. Goodbye, and see you in the next story.